lighting is great. Hey guys, so today I have a really dope wig that I'm so excited to try on. I got it from ReadyWig.com, and y'all, it's blonde. So I was like, you know, I really want to try a blonde wig. I don't know why, but I'll try a blonde wig. Like, look, can y'all see this wig? The platinum blonde silky straight synthetic lace front wig, 22 inches. Comes in this little box. Okay, so I just opened the box and it comes with freaking wig cap. Like, comes with hair care instructions, tells you how to take care of your synthetic wig, and then it also comes with a little spray bottle, so that's pretty dope. Look at this. I do not know how I'm about to look with this wig on. Dog, I'm screaming. Okay, so this is the wig. Inside of the cap, got 2 combs on the side, comb in the back, which is really dope. Oh, I like how they do their wigs. Here's the lace, you see the hairline. So here's the hairline. Definitely with the part 2, because dog, who am I? Oh my gosh. Okay, I look like somebody auntie. What? I am screaming. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me cut this lace and I'm gonna pluck a little bit and then I'll be right back. But yeah, this is how the wig looks when you don't do anything to it, you just put it on. So I'm about to finesse it a little bit. Let me see, I'm gonna move back. Yes, look at this. So 22 inches, as y'all can see. This is different. So I'm gonna FaceTime my boyfriend and get his reaction. Okay, this is gonna be funny. Wait. I got a new wig on. Remember I said I wanted to try a blonde wig?
Yeah, what?
Remember I said I wanted to try a blonde wig? You not feeling it?
That just kind of threw me off. It looked good on you. I mean, you could wear any wig, really.
Oh.
Kinda... Well, yeah, look, yeah.
Why did you just scream like that? Oh my gosh.
You scared me.
I scared you.
Look at that baby.
Thank you, baby. So cute. I just wanted to call you because I was filming a video and I was like, let me get my boyfriend reaction.
Oh, damn.
So thank you for that lovely reaction.
Oh, yeah.
I'll call you back when I finish, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh. Okay. That was freaking funny. So, yes. How do I feel about this wig? Like I said, it's super soft. Yeah, super soft. It's tangling at the ends. Yeah, I plucked apart just a tiny bit. I try to lay down some edges, you know. What y'all think? I definitely think I would recommend this wig for like if you want to switch up the look, like maybe like a birthday look, or like, I don't know, a cute little shindig. Yeah. if you have any questions about this wig, something I didn't address, definitely leave a comment down below and I will try my best to get back to you and answer the question as soon as I can. I really like the wig cap setup and how it has the adjustable straps and has like the 3 combs, 1, 2, and then 1 in the back. That make sure, you know, your wig is very secured. And I don't know, let's see, let's get close up on oops, get close up on this color. Yeah, this wig is $41.99 on their website. They also have a lot of different other wigs. I think there's just like a synthetic wig company. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this hair, and if you guys are going to try it, I would love to see some pictures. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more videos because I got some coming soon. All right, bye guys.